It's the happiest time of the year, y'all. Tax season.
They took my federal! So my WMR updates and I see that they took all my I have nothing. My new balance is $0.
Maybe I spoke a little too soon. Let's get into tax season 2025. What it look like, TV?
I am back. What it do, baby?
YouTube's own Varnell Hill.
Did you miss me?
Your very own spokesman for the Insidians. We're inside and we're comfortable.
They're so comfortable.
And I'm back with another one. And today, y'all, we're going to get into tax season 2025. Because right now, TikTok is on fire because a lot of people are finding out that they are not getting a tax return this year.
IRS, I hate you. Like, literally hate you. Not only did you take my taxes from my kids, but from the pandemic. Like, because we had unemployment at the time, and anyone who had PUA, like at the time I didn't qualify, so I qualified under PUA. Because I literally was on the job 2 weeks and then boom, COVID hit. So I'm so pissed because this was the first tax year that I was getting so much back, and I had so many plans with that to like pay up rent, get a new car, like start my own business, like do so much stuff for my kids and myself, and that is ruined. Thank you, IRS. You're such a piece of shit. Like, and then let alone you take the child tax credit from the kids. Like, how is that fair? Like, you guys are so okay with hurrying up and taking your money back, but can't even pay us a decent amount of money to work. And that's my rant for today.
Your taxes are not a payment for working. They're a return of your overpayment of taxes that you paid during the course of the year. If you were in a hard spot during and the government gave you money, taxpayers' money, you should be saying thank you. You shouldn't be upset.
I did my taxes yesterday. My tax refund I was getting back, it was a little over $21,000. I owe over $50,000 to the state of Michigan for back food stamps that I received that I wasn't supposed to get, okay? It wasn't my fault. They were put on my card, so yes, I used them. The state is forcing me to pay back the last 12 months of food stamps that I have received for overpayment. My tax refund, the whole thing was taken. I told them I could do a payment plan. I could pay a couple hundred a month to get this caught up, and they take my whole refund. I was relying on that for my teeth, for a new car, because they're trying to force me to sell my BMW. So if you owe money, if you owe food stamps, they're going to take your tax refund. So yeah, that's my life.
She just lies and lies.
It hurt. I've been there. I done had my return snatched before for student loans. So I know it hurt, but it's different levels to this hurt, because there's some people who got notified right away that they wasn't getting a tax return.
You get nothing.
And it's a whole bunch of people that was notified that their taxes went through, and they get a surprise when they think they're getting a check.
Oh, no, not the IRS giving people direct deposit dates and then taking the shit. Hold on. Baby, I saw this on Facebook. Ooh, wees. They said, oh my God, the IRS low down as and is. Why would they give me a date, then take all their funds before the date? Baby, the 22nd to mine. Oh, y'all. And then they said, so you mean to tell me y'all just found out she had debt this week right before she was supposed to be getting her funds, y'all? Y'all need to go check them transcripts and figure out what, baby, because, baby, when I tell you I would have been so mad. Baby, I would have been so mad and upset. Baby, they took all of her money, baby. Then they did it little by little. Hold on. So when did they take? Y'all, this wrong. Y'all go check them transcripts right now. Do you hear me? Because, baby, look, it could be you. It could be me. But we know it was her. And that's up.
So, boom, you filed your taxes a couple weeks ago with your tax preparer, and you're expecting a refund. They told you was going to get $7,000 back. You were so excited. You already done spent the money. You got plans for the money. You checked where's my refund on irs.gov last week, and you see that your return was received. You got that one bar. You're excited. It's Monday morning. You check it again, and it says refund approved. Now you're really excited. But then you see this little message under there and says, however, it may be partially or completely reduced to pay past due obligations. Now you blue. You thinking, what past that? Who I owe? Okay. The next morning come, it's when the money has been sent to your account. You got 3 orange bars. But instead of that $7,000, you got $70. What are you gonna do? I mean, at this point, it's really nothing you can do. You just paid off your debt, and you got a little change left. You really can't do nothing at this point. So let me tell you what to do to avoid this. The Treasury Offset Department.
I'm literally lost for words. How is the IRS gonna text me saying my funds have been delivered and I check, right? Oh my God, I got my taxes. Y'all wanna know how much I got? Y'all ready? What the hell am I gonna do with 20 cents? You telling me I worked January to December, on and on and on and on, work, busting my ass, right? Yeah, busting my ass for me to get 20 cents of my money back?
Correct.
Please tell me this is a glitch. Please tell me this is a glitch and y'all messing with me. Please at least tell me that is my little return, the one you get before, like your state and then your federal state. But I don't know how it goes, but please tell me this is a joke.
It ain't no joke, as Rakim said.
And I woke up, my shit was in the negative. I said, I'm going back to bed. I can't deal with shit. I went back to bed. I woke up, my account had money. And I said, oh my God, we rich. Where does money come from? Come to find out, it was my tax return. I'm like, this deposit look a little small. Turns out, the state was like, oh, you thought you could run from us? You owe us money. You've been hiding for a year. Okay, because I didn't have the money. So y'all going to take out my taxes. Now I only got $38 and I've been waiting for weeks.
So y'all know the year during COVID that everybody was getting PUA and unemployment. Y'all know what I'm talking about, right?
Nope.
Well, guess what? Paying them back. They took my federal! So my WMR updates, and I see that they took all my I have nothing. My new balance is $0. Unemployment took my mother flatter. You bitch. Unemployment took my federal, bitch. Unemployment took my federal!
Someone is bugging out. Bug out, bug out, bug out, bug out.
If only you knew how many people that I had to pay back with my federal. If only you knew what I wanted to get done with my federal. Do you know how much money I was expecting? I might as well tell you guys now. You know how much money I was expecting? I was $100 shy of $9,000.
Ouch, town population, you, bro.
So bringing back $9,000 in federal and all of it all of it's gone. My day's over. My day is over. You know what the I'm gonna do? Next year I'm having my sister file my kids on her taxes, and that's it. I'm not working. I'm done paying in. I'm sweating, but I'm cold, but I'm hot. I'm hot as I'm mad as They took my federal unemployment. PUA took my federal. I'm having my sister file my kids on her taxes next year and the years after that, and that's it. I'm done. I'm done paying in. I'm done doing anything. The government, Donald Trump, unemployment, just everything. I'm done. Goodbye. Call you back.
So I got my tax refund today, and they literally were supposed to give me a certain amount, and they only gave me a portion. Like, where is the rest of the money? Like, I'm missing $900 and some from this tax refund that I just got. Like, where's the $900 and some? Where did it go?
It's payback time.
Has this happened to anybody else, or am I just the only one?
So, of course, when people open up their TikTok and they're saying a whole bunch of stories that people income tax checks are being snatched.
Y'all, well, I just got a rundown and they saying that the IRS been taking people's taxes. Well, for unemployment, I guess for unemployment paid you too much, like for back pay and stuff like that, or I don't know, anything. They've been taking people's taxes. This is the year that people need it. Like, why y'all ain't doing when all the money is? Like, why y'all want to wait now to do that? I'm scared, y'all, but I know I ain't do nothing, so I don't know. I'm just saying, why the fuck get mine? Everybody got theirs. We'll see.
It's people in mass panic all over the internet, and they want to know where they money at.
Where's my money? Where is it?
My money at? Like, at this point, first they said the 21st, today's the 21st, because before this Pac-Man came about, I got a date. Then I get on there on TurboTax and check, see what's going on with my taxes. It say the 18th. Now, yesterday was the 20th. I said the 18th? Baby, it's 2 days past that. Where's my money at? So today's the 21st, on the day I supposedly got my money. Where's my refund at? Trump ass, IRS ass, where the my money? I ain't got a chapstick, bitch. Or to put on the skin. I can't even talk about my face so straight. Ain't fresh up my breath. Look at my hair. Where's the money at? Why are y'all holding our money? This pack. I'm needing for y'all to release shit. Then it's talking about March 3rd. March 3rd? I ain't got till March 3rd. Where the funds at? They playing with our freaking money. Why is y'all playing? Real people need their real money that they worked hard for. Y'all out here worrying about damn Social Security and taking Medicaid and we still fucking taxes. Don't even get a state check and still pay taxes. Y'all remember the money?
Your talking is bothering me.
So is anybody else wondering where the hell their tax return is? My tax returns were accepted on February 4th, and everything I've seen says it takes 7 to 14 business days to get your tax return in direct deposit form, which mine would be. It's now March 3rd. No tax return. I keep checking the Where's My Refund website, and it just stuck on pending. So today I called the phone number that is listed right there to call the IRS. I call, they go through their menu system. I'm on hold for about 2 minutes, and then it just goes, "This call cannot be completed," and hangs up on me. Okay, so I Googled, I found, went to the IRS website, found several more contact numbers, called another one, and went through the exact same thing, then again on hold for about 2 minutes. It's a different phone number, by the way. The numbers are different, but they're similar. Called that phone number, on hold for 2 minutes, and then again, this call cannot be completed, and then it hangs up. Are we going to get our fucking tax returns, or is that a thing that is now screwed over by Elon Musk and the Doge administration? Are we even going to get our tax returns? Because I am really, really fucking losing faith in that even happening at this point. If anyone could tell me whether they're having a similar experience or if they've already received theirs or anything like that, that'd be great, because if this is a thing happening to a bunch of other people, we should probably fucking talk about it.
They in such a panic over these taxes that it's a lot of people right now that are not sleeping until that direct deposit hits their account.
Y'all, I can't even sleep waiting on this tax money. I can't sleep at all. I don't want to go to sleep for 3 days. I don't want to go to sleep until I get text that say your available balance is. Because what? Like, why am I the only one? I cannot fucking sleep. Like, I sleep when the money is in my account.
Okay, y'all. It's currently 5:44 and my tax date is tomorrow, 2/25. And I don't have no taxes yet. Y'all just don't know how bad I'm over here stressing the fuck out because where the fuck is my refund?
Now, go the fuck to sleep.
It's a whole bunch of people out there like,
where the hell are my taxes? I got these bills. If I don't get my check, then I'ma cry. Plus my stimmy ain't come the second time. Where the hell are my taxes?
y'all think I'm playing, man. They've been hounding these taxes so hard. They pretty much crashed the IRS website so bad, they not putting that thing back up for them.
Y'all hard-headed. Didn't I tell y'all asses yesterday, stop checking them refunds? Y'all don't listen to me. Now some of y'all can't even get in and check it no more because you keep checking it every fucking 80 seconds. Now look at you, chest hurt. Now some of y'all gotta wait until that motherfucker hit y'all bank account like a lottery ticket because you can't keep up with it now. The IRS is sick of you. They sick of you. They sick of you.
You gonna tell me stop checking the motherfucking IRS website every time I wake up? This is my motherfucking money I need right now. Like JT went right to 877 cash now. This is my money, ho.
It's a lot of people that's been steadily throwing away these letters from the IRS and have no idea that their income tax was taken. So they're calling the fraud line like they had something stolen from them, only to get a surprise.
Surprise, motherfucker.
The fraud line has been jumping today because y'all out here thinking that your money is being fraudulently taken out of your account, but the money was never put into your account. I know that you're excited that them taxes are supposed to be hitting today, but for whatever reason, if your tax refund is intercepted or offset for any government agency, for child support, for student loans, notices and alerts that you get month after month saying that you got a balance with them, we receive the same thing and we can't do nothing about you getting your money back. Baby, if you are unsure if your funds are going to be offset or intercepted, baby, offset means that they're going to take a portion of what you owe to pay off that balance. It's not going to be deposited into your account and then they take it out. If there is an active offset order, baby, don't call looking for the money. Call the offset tax number, please, okay? When I tell you my ears are burning, I've had the same conversation at least 42 times today. And when I give you the number, you act like you don't want to call. I ain't got no time. Can I just do my actual fraud job? Because you think everything is fraud, but baby, this ain't fraud. The fraud was what you committed a couple of years ago. But, okay, all right, I gotta go. Love y'all, bye.
Now, just for some clarity for everybody out there, we're gonna go through the process of actual taxes. They are not giving you anything. Your taxes is your overpayment being given back to you. This next guy is going to explain it all to you and make it crystal clear.
Here's how a tax return is processed. All tax returns go through an algorithm. Is it too high or too low on an expense or an income? If it is, then it'll flag it. If your return gets flagged, then it goes to somebody's desk and only one person reviews it. That person goes through that tax return line by line. They have the same thing you have. When an employer or vendor sends information to the IRS, they send you a copy and they send the IRS a copy. Then they determine, okay, well, I don't like this. Then they do a mail-in audit where they just ask for additional documentation. They want to see your expenses. If you don't like that decision, that's where you take the tax return. No, I like the way I did my tax return. And then it goes to a different IRS agent, and you have an option there to win, because if you show them proof that you have all your receipts, then more likely you'll win.
With all that being said, you have to be aware if you get a tax filer that's going to give you this ridiculous return and want a higher than normal fee, because they're running scams out here and you don't want to be caught up in the middle of it.
Here's how illegal tax preparers are getting people $22,000 refunds, but they are charging them $7,150 to do it, and after all their fees, what actually hits their bank account is only $14,000. So what these preparers are doing are claiming false solar credits, false fuel credits. They're creating fake businesses. And since the IRS has what's called an honor system, the IRS does not verify any of this information when they are preparing the return. The only time they're going to the only time they're going to verify this information is in case of an audit. Now, what's also happening is that preparers are being victimized, almost forced to do this by the company that they work for, because people are like, maximum refunds, and they want to guarantee all this like maximum refunds, when in fact what they're doing is illegal, but sometimes they just don't know it. If you paid someone to file your tax return and that pay prepare section, that last section on your tax return is not filled out, they either forgot or they're doing something illegal. My name is Duke, and I make taxes very easy to understand. Give me a phone state.
Now, briefly, let's just go over a couple new rules, and I think people wasn't paying attention to the new rules, and that's why they're in this boat, because they're coming after and they're collecting some of these benefits that they gave out in previous years.
Good morning, gang. People are getting these notices because their income tax return was intercepted because of a debt to the state, federal, or local agency. So if you owe because of back pay or overpaying child support, or because of maybe a food stamp issue, if you owe anything dealing with the state or the federal, guess what? They can't intercept your return and they can't take their money out. But that doesn't mean you're not going to get the remaining balance. They're going to quietly intercept your return and send you the notice for the debt offset. Just want to let you know. Hope this helps someone.
Now, with the new rules being explained to y'all, I'm going to show y'all the part that makes it hard to be empathetic to some people, because they've been talking about this since last September on TikTok, trying to warn people and prepare them. But obviously, nobody was listening.
They offsetting tax returns next year. Oh yeah. Y'all remember how that worked. You remember how that worked, right? Before COVID, if you owe them student loans, that thing that was holding the student loans back, it ends today. So what does that mean? That means that if you do not get in contact with the student loan people, go on the website, hop on the horn, and set up a deal with them folk, if you are in what they call it, if you're not in deferment, they might take your refund this coming year. Oh yeah, they back at it. Snatch your money. So don't let your refund get taken. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it now. Get on the horn with them people. Set up a payment arrangement, whatever you need to do, so that you don't end up with an indication on your account to offset your refund. Because once they offset it, you got to battle that thing out with student loan. Our IRS ain't getting in the middle of that. They just following the rules, the laws, and sending your money where they say send it. And then you got to go over there and fuss with them folk. But don't let that happen to you. All this stuff going on in the world, don't you let them take your refund. Whatever you're doing right now, stop it and handle that business. Handle it today.
They tried to warn people, but nobody wanted to listen. They just thought that every tax return season was going to be like.
I woke up hood rich yesterday. You heard me. I woke up hood rich yesterday. I went and got my vehicle fixed. I went and got me and my man iPhone 16 Pluses. I took my kids to Chick-fil-A this morning. But we only eat Chick-fil-A once a year, baby. That's tax time. Ha! Get you some.
Like I said, it's people all over TikTok complaining about their tax returns. But I must admit, it's a segment of the population that feels like this.
So y'all getting on here and telling me that y'all did not know that unemployment was going to take y'all taxes. Because y'all making it seem like y'all so shocked or surprised. There's no way y'all knew that y'all owed unemployment because they sent out a letter. I'm pretty sure they sent out a benefits overpayment letter because I got one. They didn't take my taxes like twice since like, and it's sickening every time, but I was aware of it. Like, I know like they gonna take my taxes. I'm not gonna get my taxes. So I need to prepare myself to not get a refund. Y'all didn't know, or y'all thought that they was playing, or y'all thought that they wasn't gonna come get their money. I honestly, when they do that, I would rather you take my tax refund than to start garnishing wages from my check. Would y'all rather them take a refund that, damn, I wish I had it, but like, damn, I wish I had it, or start garnishing your checks throughout the year? Y'all better, you stole from them first, so they really just taking back what's theirs. Just saying, every consequence has its actions. Would you rather them take your taxes or go to jail? Mind y'all, I understand the frustration. Ain't nothing more sickening. They took my whole like $5,600 one time. My Shayla.
I can't front. I have to say that I agree with her, because when I got mine snatched, I knew they eventually was coming. That little $35 a week that they was taking out of my check, that was not going to hold them over. They was going to eventually swoop in for a bigger bite. I knew it. So they should pretty much know it. You was messing with the government, you know they going to want their money back. But anyway, man, before we get up out of here, it's a lot of people that's waiting for these tax returns, and they're not planning on blowing it. They're planning on making it work for their best interest. And I got to salute these people.
Don't do it. Don't you do it. Do not take out a cash advance on that tax refund check. Do not spend it before you get it. This year, we are utilizing that tax refund check to take care of needs and to prepare for the future.
I just got my taxes today. You want to guess what I'm eating?
That's so fun.
A fucking hot dog. Cause y'all bitches not finna get all my money. Nope, I'm gonna let that shit last for as long as that shit can last. I can't do it. I can't do it when I want to go get a seafood boil, like when people going out to eat and I can't go because I don't got no money. That's embarrassing, and that ain't gonna happen. I'm trying to triple my money. I told God before this money came, I said, God, lay that triple stacking saving spirit on my soul, because I can't get these taxes and just have them go away every year I ever get them. Hell no. I've been doing good on credit, saving. I've been doing good. So keep it up, God. Keep it up. Just tell them, y'all, so I can have more money that I can spend. Make sure y'all follow my YouTube channel. It's up there in my bio. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I don't got enough money right now to be eating the seafood boils. I got to eat hot dogs, and I showed y'all. I'm eating hot dogs. Go follow your girl on YouTube. It's a gaming channel. I game on there, so go follow me.
Y'all, just got my taxes back maybe an hour ago. Let me show you how fast it went. So I had $58.80 this morning around 9:30. It's 11 on the dot as I'm making this video, so that was an hour and a half ago. I paid my rent for February. I had a couple late fees, so altogether it was $15.01. So I paid that for February. Then I paid March and April. I put $2,800 on my account for March and April. So that's $4,300, which leaves me with about $15 and some change. My electric bill has been passed due, and I had a payment arrangement, but altogether I owed $526, so I paid that. I paid my phone bill for me and my daughter for March and April as well. And her birthday was yesterday, so I gave her $300. So I don't know how much that was. I think it was about $5,300, because I'm left with $500 right now. I still need to buy toiletries and stuff for the next couple of months. I'm going to just buy everything in bulk, so that's going to be like another $100 down. I did want to get a new phone, but I'm probably not going to do that. The rest of the money that I have, which will be probably like $400, I'm going to just put that on my electric bill probably. And I'm going to continue to look for a job in the process. But yeah, that's how I spent $5,800 in an hour.
They making it work for themselves. My only thing that I would say is, ma'am, you ain't got to get online and tell everybody your personal business. Why do we get online and tell everybody our personal business like this in 2025? It's great for us, for the content, but ma'am, don't do that. You don't got to tell everybody your personal business. But now y'all hit me up in the comments section and tell me y'all personal business. Did y'all ever have a tax return taken before? Or y'all get the tax return this year? Let's talk about it in the comments section.
Hypocrisy, my friend.
Tell me how you feel about everything that went on in this video.
Tell me how you felt about what just happened there.
And if you done made it to this point in the video, you are my MVP.
It was a stone groove, my man.
I'm out of here.